You know, it was only a matter of time before a fella like me, this tech guru, gadget dude, has to review a beauty product. And it's finally happened, folks. I'm reviewing this. This is the TheraFace Pro. It's a percussive facial massager for, obviously, your face. But it also uses light therapy to kind of tone and improve your facial health. So we're going to get right down into it in this review. We'll start with the unboxing. I'll show you everything that it comes with, all the different attachments. And then I'm going to get right into it by testing it out in my bathroom and following the instructions that they have on the TheraBody website. So without further ado, sit back, relax, get your popcorn ready, folks, and cue the intro. So let's just begin this review by starting with the unboxing. If you haven't seen my unboxing video, it is on my channel, a little more detailed than this, but here's just a quick version. Basically, the attachments come in this one cardboard box. You also have the USB-C cable, and then it's just basically empty. Everything else is inside the bag, including that conductive gel, the bigger attachments, the TheraFace Pro itself, and its little stand. And then you have the bag. So here's everything once you see it outside of the box. Everything does fit into that bag, but boy, oh boy, is it tight. So you got the unit itself, the USB-C, these smaller 3 attachments, and then the bigger 3 attachments, including the light that changes different lights, and also the stand that would sit inside your bathroom. And this is the conductive gel. You're gonna have to buy more of this if you keep doing repeated treatments. So they got you that way. They got you. They're gonna keep making money. So here's everything set up in my bathroom. And you basically, if you do buy this, you want to make some type of workstation in your bathroom, whether it's a little small shelf, but you got to have all these attachments ready and willing and able to be accessible. If you keep it in the bag, you're probably not going to use it very much. So make sure that you have everything kind of right there. Everything attaches by magnetically. It's really got a premium feel to it. And I love the fact that there's only just 3 buttons, so it's super easy to use. And there's an actual display on the front there that I'll show you in a bit that kind of shows you all the different functions. But basically you have your vibrations that you can select to 3 different modes. And what's interesting is it actually recognizes what attachment is on, and it will tell you, it'll know automatically whether you have the light or the ring or the bristles for cleaning. It actually knows. And you can see here's the vibration, the percussive settings. So there's a low, a medium, and a high. So depending on what you prefer when you are doing your treatments, you can select that, or during the treatment you can kind of switch between the 3 percussive modes that it has. But other than that, you know, very, very simple to use. Really, the next step is to watch the videos on the TheraFace Pro website. They'll tell you all the different treatments that you have to do and what attachments you need. You basically got to memorize these routines and do them all the time. So I'm going to start with the cleansing one. So I got that bristle on that is ready to go, and basically it says wash your face, put some cleanser on, which I'm doing right now, and I'm leaving the cleanser on. And then after that, I watch the video and looking at the directions that they're showing. There's a certain order that they want you to use this with, starting with your chin, moving up towards your ear, just on the one side. Get that one side done, switch to the other side, and then you do your forehead. So I had to watch these videos. Like you can see, I'm just peeking down, trying to follow the video at the same time, trying to copy this. Feel like I'm cutting lawn because I have that big beard. I'm not sure if it was made for beards, but I still used it because I have to do this review. The next is that conductive gel, that little pack that it comes with for this attachment. And here I'm putting the conductive gel. I've dried my face up. It's already clean. And I have to apply it all over my face. So I'm watching the video and how they're talking about this. But this is where they get you, because this gel is going to run out and then you're going to have to buy it. I think it's like 25 bucks or 30 bucks. But they're going to continue making money off you with this. And companies love to do that. You can't just buy one product and then it's good to go. No, they want you on that razor business model where you're recurring. They're always making money from you being a user. So I'm applying this conductive gel. I got it all over my face. You leave it on, and then again it shows you starting from your chin, moving up towards your ear in a very, straight fashion is how you do this. And then you just basically are rolling it over to try to tighten your skin and really rejuvenate those facial muscles that you have. This is not something that's just gonna happen one treatment and then you look amazing. You got to keep doing this. But as soon as I'm doing it, I feel like I'm cutting the lawn. I feel like it's like a lawnmower and I'm just kind of going over my face. But there is an order to it, and I highly advise people, if you're going to purchase this and make that investment, two things you got to know. You got to do it in the right technique, just like how this lady is doing in the video. You got to follow that technique, make it second nature, and then do it. Now let's go to the light therapy. And so as I mentioned, there are it's a red light, a blue light, and they have infrared therapy aids to treat various skin problems. Basically, you're not supposed to have it touching. That's why you have the smaller adapter. I got that wrong one. I'm supposed to put the flat adapter, but I did switch it before once I was watching the instructions. And then it was basically, use this light therapy to improve your skin. And it feels kind of weird. I'm going to be honest. I'm a dude. I get it. Just like roll light all over your face kind of feels weird, but apparently this is going to help. And if you do it consistently, you're going to, improve the quality of your skin and your facial health in total. So again, there is a way that you're supposed to do this, your order. I don't know if I'm following it perfectly. It's just, I'm still trying to grasp the fact that I'm just shining this light all over my face and somehow this is treating it. But I'm not a beautician. This is a little bit out of my realm. But this is why people love the TheraFace Pro. And the thing is about this is you gotta be willing to make the commitment, the time commitment. Like, I'm like, damn, this would add like 10 minutes to my nighttime routine or your morning routine. You gotta make sure you're ready to make that commitment before you go ahead and splurge on this. And this is from a fella that, is always looking for the best investments in technology. It's great. However, you gotta be willing to put that time, and make that station, like I said, in your bathroom. That'll make you more likely to use it. Well, hope you enjoyed this review of the TheraFace Pro. A lot of reviews online, except not many from a fella. So it's a different take, One thing I realize, and I want to save people money, is if you're going to do this, you got to be ready to make that commitment. This thing that's not like brushing your teeth, which takes like 2 minutes, I think is what they recommend. This, you're looking at a good maybe 5 to 10 minutes per day. So you want to make sure you make that commitment. You want to make sure that you have a nice station in your bathroom to have it all ready and working, because then you're more likely to use it. If you have to take it out of the bag all the time, you're probably not going to use it. Speaking of the bag, it is very small, so if you are going to be traveling with it, make sure you get a bigger bag, because you're going to have a hard time putting it all in here. It's a tight fit. I'm quite surprised that they didn't just give you a bigger bag, knowing the practicality of trying to carry everything all at once. Anyways, I'm rambling on. If you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel if this is your first time here, and of course, leave your comments below. I want to know what you think about the TheraFace. If you're a fella, I'm completely interested in what you're thinking about this, because I know there's a lot of ladies that use this, but what about the fellas? Let me know in the comments below. Once again, my name is Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you again next time.